get some.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna help me this time?
Yeah.
Ugh. Some soap and water and scrub it, okay? Okay, so what do we need to do?
I need water.
We need water? Well, first we need this, okay?
Orange.
Mama, we're gonna do orange.
Look at orange.
Okay, baby.
So I think 3 words good, huh? Yes, baby. Okay, last one.
This one.
Last one.
This me. This me.
Okay, come here.
Okay.
Put it in here. Squirt it in.
Okay.
Squeeze. Squeeze it in. Okay. That's enough. One more just to be safe, huh? Okay, take your knife. Stir. Right here.
Okay.
Stir it in.
Okay.
Mix it up good. Okay. Let me see.
My turn.
Okay, your turn. Okay, it's good. Pull it out.
Oh yeah.
We don't want to stir too much. Okay? Hold on, I'm going to make you a cup with vinegar so you can pour it in, okay? Don't stir anymore.
Let's do it.
No more. Maddie, you can't do any more because you're going to mix up all the stuff with the already vinegar in there. So just listen, okay? You want to pour it in this time? Okay, come here. Okay. Careful, hold this.
Okay.
You gotta pour it in the hole. Whoa! You made an orange volcano!
Yee!
Good job, Camo. Good job, Camo.
Volcano? I'm so proud of you!
Let's do it again.
No more, baby. We'll finish another experiment, okay?
Okay.
Here. You did that all by yourself. You made a volcano. Hold on. Maddie. No. See how that tastes? Terrible, doesn't it?
You need some water?
That's yucky, huh?
I need some more water.
One more?
Yeah. Good job, Camo. I'm so proud of you.
So proud of the volcano.
Yeah.
Remember, don't taste it because it's yucky, huh?
Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Woof, woof.
Now we gotta clean it up.
Now I want to clear. Real clear.
Looks like we're cleaning up a crime scene. Might come in handy someday. You want to keep the bleach? Just kidding. Don't touch, please. Oh, you can touch. You know not to eat it now.
Got you on camera, little stinker.
You like these, Salmon?
Paper towels out there.
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Mixing it up some more?
Hey, don't splash that everywhere.
I'm a cute cookie.
Okay, let's pull that out. It's not, oh, Maddie, I don't want to. Hey, if we're gonna act like that, we won't do any more, okay? Slide over. I don't want you spreading it because it's just more and more we gotta clean. See, look at every spot it goes on. It's very tricky to clean out. It's dye.
It's that.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
You got food coloring.
It's Brooklyn.
Yeah. So we don't. No, leave that out of there. Go mix up there over there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
boy. Get this Play-Doh shot.
It's video.
Yeah. But we're gonna throw this piece of Play-Doh out, okay?
Okay.
Look at it. It took all the yellow off the Play-Doh container.
Oh, the yellow. This one was clear.
Why was that one clear?
I don't know. It was one of these.
Oh. I was like, wow, it did it perfectly too.
That probably would be good, especially if Maddie just ate it. Feels like the inside, like it feels like a deer's kidney.
Okay.